SIR.
Suddenly, everyone's talking about this mysterious SIR form for voter ID. Some people are confused, some are stressed, some are like, bro, what even is this? And if your BLO rings your bell with a bunch of papers, you're like, bhai, am I filling a form or giving an exam? So in today's video, I'm breaking down the entire SIR form in the simplest, chillest and 100% factual way. No panic, no rumors, no politics. Just straight up information so you fill it confidently and correctly. Welcome back to another video of Bosswala English YouTube channel. My name is Akshara. What even is the SIR form? Alright, let's start from the top. The SIR form, also called the enumeration form, is basically a voter data update form. Your BLO, that means booth level officer, brings it to your house. And this form is being used in many states to update voter details like your name, date of birth, address, parents' details, and verifying info with older voter lists like the 2003 list. This is just a data correction plus verification exercise, nothing scary, nothing political, just a regular update process. And why is it important? The form matters because if you fill it wrong or leave it half done, your details might not get updated correctly. That's all. This does not automatically delete your vote, but incomplete info can cause issues during the verification. So it's worth filling carefully. So step 1. The photo. There's a small box asking for a passport size photo. Just paste the recent photo, means not older than 3 months. Any normal passport size photo works. Step 2 is language and pen. You can use black or blue pen and fill the form in the same language printed on it. If it's in English, fill it in English. If it's in Hindi, fill it in Hindi. Simple. Step 3, date of birth. Big confusion time. Should I write the date of birth from Aadhaar or voter ID? Simple rule, write the date of birth exactly it appears on your Aadhaar. Done. No overthinking. Step 4, Aadhaar and mobile number. Just write your correct 12-digit Aadhaar and give an active mobile number because future OTPs or verification may come on that number. Step 5 is father or guardian name. This one creates maximum confusion, especially for married women. The rule is super simple, always write your father's name. No matter what your marital status is, if father's details are unavailable, then write your legal guardian's name. Now step 6, your mother's name. Write your mother's name clearly. If the form asks for her EPIC number, which is voter ID number, write it if you know it. If you don't, it's totally fine, leave it blank. Step 7, spouse name. For married people, women should write their husband's name. Men write their wife's name. If unmarried, leave it blank, no need to overthink it. Step 8, the most confusing part, the 2003 voters list. The form is just asking whether your name or your parents' name appears in the 2003 voters list. If yes, you fill your details like your account name, account number, part number, serial number, voter ID number. If no, don't panic, you may just need to add ID proof later. So there are 3 main cases where everybody is so confused about. Let's check. Case 1, your name is in the 2003 list. Great, just copy your details directly. Case 2, your name is not in the 2003 list but your parents' names are there. Very common, use your parents' details as reference. Case 3, no one from your family appears in the 2003 list. No stress, you might need to show extra ID documents like Aadhaar card, birth certificate, PAN card, passport, school or college documents. This is only when nobody from your family appears in that list. Now there is women's specific clarification. So for married women, your current address should match the address on your Aadhaar. But for the 2003 reference, you can use your maternal home's details if that's where your father's name appears. Totally allowed. So let's go to the final steps. Once everything is filled, paste your photo, recheck names and numbers, sign it, submit it to the BLO, take a photo or photocopy to keep a record of it. And that is the full SIR form breakdown. Explained without the stress, without the rumors, and in the simplest way possible. So if this helped you, hit like and share it with your neighborhood WhatsApp group and subscribe for more easy guides like this. So did your BLO visited yet? Or are you still waiting? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.